The Slimfocus from Focus Creations. Very, very distinctive, unique fireplace. Very, very slender, only 324mm diameter. Very low distances to combustible materials, which make it perfect if you short a space or want to fit it inside a corner. It lends itself to that perfectly well. In its normal setup, normal configuration, it works on a 150mm flue system. It can be adjoined with the Efficience flue system from Pujolar to make this a balanced flue, room sealed, floating fireplace. So no need for any ventilation anywhere else, makes it a perfect contender for low energy passive house projects. Has a huge big combustion chamber. Okay, so you get a wonderful view when that's working of the logs burning away, nice and easy to access for refueling and cleaning out. Also rotates as standard through 360 degrees, so you can point that round to wherever you want to see the flames and to feel the heat, or 360 degrees, or we can put restriction in that if, for example, we don't want it pointing towards a combustible surface, because the clinch is a little bit bigger from the glass. Made to suit your project, any heights, no problem. The Slimfocus.